Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Teacher Rayven and you're here at Teacher Rayven Vlogs. I would like to thank all of you for still staying as my subscribers even though I have not uploaded any videos for the past months because of course of the very busy schedule. Thank you very much still for staying. Today, we will have a new unboxing video of paintings I commissioned from my students that I'll be putting there, the background. Okay, so it will be like paintings for my bedboard or headboard. So I hope that you will be liking this video and you will also share it to all your friends. I hope that you will be watching until the end. Thank you very much again and welcome back. This is Teacher Rayven. Alright, so excited na ba kayong makita ang mga paintings na i-unbox natin? Ayan, so meron ako dito yung first painting which is 9 by 12 in size. Ayan, so siya yung pinaka centerpiece na ilalagay dyan sa gitna. And then, meron din dito na mga paintings na mas maliliit. Okay, so nandito siya sa box. So, 4 ang laman nitong maliliit, or there are 4 paintings inside. And then, this one is just 1. Siguro unahin na natin muna. Yan, itong box na to. Alright? Okay, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa first box. Ayan, so sealed siya. Just get my cutter. So itong paintings na to ay parang I asked her to provide me a piece na parang at some point will inspire me. Ayan, kasi I know that it's still a struggling year for all of us. So we need all the inspiration that we need or that we should have. So kasi natin siya. There. So inside, may mga parang shredded papers here. So nakakatawa rin kasi very environment friendly. At some point tinatry ni Angel na mag-recycle, mag-use. I think mga ano pa ata niya to, reviewers. Ayan. So let's start. Ayan, so meron din siyang parang thank you note. Ayan, thank you for your purchase. I hope you like the products. Thank you for supporting our small business and for giving Artbyangel. Ayun pala, Artbyangel pala. An opportunity to spread love through art. Feedbacks are much appreciated. Ayan, so ayan yung Instagram niya. Na ilalagay ko rin naman sa link nitong video. So we have HRQ_Angel, Artbyangel sa YouTube, and then we have here also for Twitter, HRQAngel. Ayan. So ito yung likod, ito yung kanyang logo. Diba? Very witty. And so meron akong dalawa dyan. Alright. So sa loob, may mga stickers. Very nice stickers. Siyang mga iba-ibang mga digital stickers here. So, keep natin yan later. Tapos, dito, may cat. Okay. So, I think lahat naman din ito ay gawa niya. Ayan. So, parang may mga pa-freebies siya once you buy her works. Ayan. Although ito, commission kasi yung pinagawa ko. Pero based din sa mga dati niyang works. Ayan, so ito another sticker. You're doing well. Be you a bloom. So this is by Artbyangel. Ayan. So ito na yung first one. Okay? So the title of the painting is Agos. Right? Careful. Grabe. Sobrang excited na ako. Napakabilis lang. Sabi ko nga, while doing this, kasi she's also a student, no? Wow! There. So this is the first 6x6 painting. Ayan, may signature niya. Yay! I'm so happy. And then, ito yung first painting entitled Agos. Yan. So, may papansin nyo, the style that she used here is called impasto. Yan. Yun yung parang naka-embossed yung mga elements ng paint. Ayan. And hanggang gilid yan. See? Very nice. Alright, so we're done with the first painting. Next, punta tayo sa second painting. Nakakatawa, parang may mga surprise pa. Okay. So the next painting is called Sinag. Yan. So ito namang Sinag, still also a 6x6 painting. Buksan natin. So by the way, Art by Angel is just here at Los Baños. So message nyo lang siya, yung mga tiga Los Baños, Laguna. So it's just near. Alright, so this one is Sinag. Alright, sorry, sila yung packaging. The second 6x6 painting. Yan, see? Also, she applied here impasto. Okay, so you will see the details na naka-embossed yung mga detailed rays niya. Very nice. Alright, so down to the second one. Ayos natin sila dyan. And then next is here, Serenity. So for Serenity, the third 6x6 painting. So nga pala, itong lahat ay canvas ang ginamit na medium. So we have here, Serenity 6x6. Alright, this one. Ito, hindi na to impasto, no? Pero still, look at the quality of the painting, right? I'm being very careful kasi sobrang nice ng paintings. Ayan, lagyan natin dyan. And the last one, we have the fourth painting, Daan Pauwi 6x6. Alright? Or the road home. So this is Daan Pauwi. There. Very nice. So ito rin, hindi na to impasto. Pero parang may touches pa rin, no? Kasi very nice din talaga yung ginamit niyang paint. Alright, so yan sa gilid. Yeah, through and through. Okay, we're complete with all the 4 paintings. Ayan. Sila there. So we have those 4. Yan, yung Agos, Sinag, Serenity, and then you have Daang Pauwi. Sorry for the wire. Okay, there. Alright, so those are the 4 paintings. Ngayon, mako na tayo yung 4 6x6 paintings. Lumako na tayo sa main event. The main masterpiece. Alright. So, ayan. So we have Sablay 9x12. So this is also an art in canvas. Art by Angel. Yeah. So ayan. So we have here the masterpiece. So it's the Sablay 9x12, art by Angel. Then you have here a sticker saying thank you. Alright, so tingnan natin. Canvas din to, mas malaki lang. So ito ay base rin dun sa kanyang sablay paintings na meron din ako. Ayan. Ayaw ko sirain yung ano. Ito ba lang? Start here at the back. Okay, so this is it. There! Wow! Look at that. Such beauty. Look at this one. Tignan nyo naman. Ang ganda-ganda. Again, by Angel Quilloy. See, empasto ang in-apply niya dito. And look, natatouch din, naka-emboss din ang baybayin ng UP. Wow. My goodness. Ayan, so yun yung likod. So this is so great. Ayan, beautiful. So this is sablay. Ayan, so yan yung magiging itsura nila. Parang ganyan yan. Right? So, ganyan ang itsura. And then you have it here. Siyempre, ayusin natin siya later sa likod. Yung sa head. Yung kung saan siya ilalagay dapat. Alright. Ayan. Great, great. Thank you, Art by Angel. Very satisfied with your artwork. And I'm very proud of you. She was my former student and advisee. Thank you, Angel. Ayan, we're done with the unboxing. So, ngayon ilalagay na natin itong mga paintings dito. Yan, dyan sa background na yan. So, I intended to put them together na nasa centerpiece itong sablay. Okay, tapos yung 4 ay nasa upper and lower portions nung sablay. Okay? So, let's go! Ayan, so done na tayo sa pag-mount ng paintings. Ayan, so we have Agos. Ayan, Sinag. Serendipity. Sinag. And then we have the Sablay. And then this one is Agos, and you have there Daan Pauwi. Okay, so ayan, yan na, meron ng place yung paintings by Art by Angel. Ayan, thank you very much, Angel. I'm so happy with the result of the artworks and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you very much. Kapag po gusto nyo makakomisyon or makabili ng works ni Angel, just check her page doon sa ipopost ko sa description box down below. Thank you very much, everyone. See you on the next video. Goodbye. This is Teacher Rayven.